All right, YouTube. Now we are back with the 12th algorithm. I don't remember exactly, but I think it's the 12th. And for this one, it is called areSimilar. And let me read the instructions for you guys. So two arrays are similar, are called similar if one can be obtained from another by swapping at most one pair of elements in one of the two arrays. Given our arrays A and B, check whether they are similar. All right, so let's go ahead and start. I already have Quokka going now. So for example, like that first one that we have here, it is exactly the same array. So what we're gonna do is return if it's exactly the same right away. So what we'll do is do an if statement, and then we'll do a to string. And what toString will do is convert it into a string, which will allow us to compare it. So toString, so we'll return true right away. So that's taken care of, first one. Now, for the second one, let's initiate the array errors, which will be an empty one. And here we're going to be pushing, let me just walk you through. So it'll be, we're doing a loop. We're going to be looping through array A. We're going to compare each element. So at their current index position, so which would be 1 and 2, it's going to be compared, and then 2 and 1 is going to be compared, and then 3 and 3 will be compared, and so on, right? So from that, what we're going to get, we'll go ahead and do it. So a dot length I++. All right, so now we're going to be looping through, and we're going to use an if statement. And in that if statement, we're going to say if the array A current index does not equal to the B array at that same current index, then we're going to do errors dot push A at current element index. Okay, so I'm going to show you what that looks like just to give you like an idea. Errors. Here's what it's doing. It is looping through the A array, right? And for example, let's do this second one. It's looping through and it's comparing 1 and 2. And since 1 and 2 are not the same, it's pushing our A array at current element, so current index, sorry. So which would be 1. So as you can see, there's a 1, and then it's going to move on to the next one. It's going to do 2 and 1. So then that's also not the same. So it's going to push the A array at current index. So that element is going to be pushed, and there's 2. So now the moves on to the last one, which is 3. And since those two are the same, it doesn't get pushed. Now for the third one, since all of them are not the same, the whole array gets pushed. So now what we're going to do is errors.reverse. Reverse. All right. So what that does is literally just flips those numbers in there. So now instead of it being 1, 2, it's going to be 2, 1. And then for this one, it is flipping. Wait a minute. There is something funky. 1, 2, 2. Okay, so sorry. So after it's done doing that, we're gonna push the rest of those elements. So then we'll do errors push a current index. So now as you can see, this is exactly the new array. This is actually exactly the same as this. So to actually return true or false, we're going to do ternary operator. So we'll return Errors dot toString. So we'll do the same. We're converting it to a string equal to the B array toString. Then we'll return true. So this is where you put your false state. Else false. So, and that's how you do it. So it's again true, true, false. So that's how I solved areSimilar. All right, and thanks for watching, and see you back on the next one. Bye.